Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can host your static website on S3 bucket. Okay, so before going forward, let's just understand what is a static website. So static website is nothing but you can consider as your portfolio website, where you will be showcasing something about your profile or something about your shop if you have, or any portfolio, like any portfolio which you want to showcase, which will not have so many things. It just will be static pages of HTML, and nowadays so many things are there, like you tell AI, it will give you HTML, CSS, JavaScript in just seconds. So if you want to host it on S3, so you should know how you can do it. So for that, nothing, you just go on your console, then click S3 bucket, and then first of all you need to create a bucket, obviously. So you will just go and create a bucket with a unique name, because S3 doesn't like names to be repeated, or in, and it should be globally unique. So I'll be using my uh, static website underscore 21022026. So that's basically today's date, and we'll just first create a bucket and invite characters. Okay, if we do dash, whether it will work or not, I'm not sure. Just create bucket. Okay, it worked, I think. Okay, fine. So now you have created your bucket. So few things which you need to do. So for that, first of all, you should have an index.html file. So I have already created with Gemini. That's a basic website, the basic index.html file. But before that, what you need to do, you have to go into the properties, and then you need to enable static website hosting. So you can read here, use this bucket to host a website or redirect request. Okay, so just click on edit and you need to enable. So it will give you a URL and the index document which you want. So I want index.html only, and just to save changes. And yeah, so again here you will see you have got your URL here. And then what you have to do, one more thing which you have to do, that is, while creating, you might have observed that you have blocked the public access, but if you will not enable it, it won't work, right? So people will not be able to use your website, or you only will not be able to use. So for that, you need to just uncheck this option and just to click save changes and confirm. Okay, so basically now anyone can just do a request from any IP, anything. Okay, so, and also one more thing, what static website, so what your S3 bucket needs is your bucket policy. So this also you need to edit. So in policy you need to add like S3 get object. Okay, so just search for the available service S3 and don't do all actions. So here you will find somewhere get object. Okay, so get object is the one policy which you can select. Then resource you have to add. So just remove this and this one. In double quotes you have to add this, and just do control V slash star. It means like it will access everything. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, let's save changes. Okay, it's showing principal cannot be empty. Okay, okay, so principal will be everything here. So just do asterisk. Let's try. Okay, again policy contains invalid JSON. Okay, wait a minute, I think we have to do like this. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, let's try principal for S3 bucket policy. We'll search. So okay, here it has given principal. Okay, that's what I tried, right? Let's see here what we have. Principal, let's try this. Okay, still it's failing. So we have a statement SID, statement 1. Okay, okay, let's go back and see what Gemini is saying. We don't want to give I am user, right? So just search what we have to give in principal. Or let me just search like this: principal for 3 static website hosting. Okay, like this. Okay, here also you can see Amazon documentation. Okay, so it is giving us, okay, if I just do, let's copy this, and I will just do this one and copy this to this. Okay, now it will work. So let's just save it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now it worked. Okay, the next what you have to do, just go in buckets and click on static website, and you have to just what you have to do, you have to upload your index.html. So here you will see just 2 add files, and index.html is here, right? And just to upload. So then you will see your static website, that URL you saw that time, right? So just close it and go in properties, and let's scroll down, copy this, let's open this, and now you should get your website. Okay, so here you can see just a basic normal HTML page. So in this way just you can do your website hosting. Okay, and make sure you configure this correctly. And yeah, that's it, and next we'll see in the next video. So thank you so much for watching.